So now we're moving to the 4-post rack kit, installing the UPS four-post rail kits. We do have to prep the UPS. The UPS comes with brackets. They're labeled left and right. That's the left, and there's the right. L and R. Those brackets get mounted to the left and right side of the UPS. It comes with the appropriate hardware to mount those to the UPS. These are retainers to hold the UPS, the battery module, and the transformer module into the 4-post rack. As you can see, I've installed the front retainer brackets on the left and right side of the UPS. So after you remove the rail kits from the packaging, you'll see they're labeled right and left. And you can see that each one of the holes, front and back, are threaded for installation into the 4-post rack. There are slides here. So for adjustment based on how the depth of the 4 posts in the system. So I'm going to show you how to mount the 2U UPS battery pack and transformer module. So as you can see, I've chosen the 2U of 19 and 18 from the bottom, or from the top, I should say, or 24 and 25 from the bottom. I have one of those side brackets just so you can see this. Is mounted onto the side of the UPS. So there's 3 holes that come in with this bracket. These brackets aren't meant to support really any weight. The depth of the UPS with the batteries is relatively heavy, and if you just tried to use these rather than the rail kit, you're going to put some flex and could potentially damage the rack. So I wanted to line that up to show you that in the U space above where you mount the rail kit, those 3 holes line up to the 3 holes above in the U space above. Now, because they're only meant to retain the UPS battery module or battery module or transformer module, I usually only install one of the keeper nuts. I've gone ahead and placed, in this case, the UPS portion on the rail kits. We can just slide it into position, and then once in position, we can screw the retaining screw in, so the system can't pull out of the rack. As you can see, I have installed the second rail kit, 2U C24 to 26 rack unit above to house the UPS battery, and again a transformer, which would be at 21. But so as you can see, that's how the 2U rail kits are installed in a 4-post rack.